Generative AI or Gen AI what? It's a pretty decent question. This is Dr. Atif Muhammad, a lecturer in AI learning. Let's explore this in a little bit more depth together. So, Gen AI what is a question that asks about capabilities and applications of general artificial intelligence. Let us discuss three use cases that will help us understand this question's potential answers. The first use case can be where Gen AI can be used to create personalized learning experiences for students by understanding a student's learning style, knowledge level, and interests. A Gen AI system can adapt its teaching approach to meet the student's needs. For example, if a student is struggling with a particular concept, the system can provide additional explanations and practices with the problems or practice problems until the student understands it. GenAI can be used to improve customer service by providing more natural and effective interactions. A GenAI system can understand and respond to complex customer inquiries, learn from past interactions to improve future responses, and even anticipate customer needs before they arise. For example, a customer might ask a GenAI system about products, features, and system could not only provide information but also suggest related products based on customers' interests. The good old recommender systems were the start of the use of predictions on the basis of rule based analysis that we used to get earlier. Gen AI can be used to create autonomous vehicles that can navigate complex environments safely and efficiently. A Gen AI system can understand and respond to real time traffic conditions, learn from past driving experiences to improve future performance, and even make complex decisions in unexpected situations. For example, if a pedestrian suddenly stops into the road, the system could quickly evaluate the situation and make the appropriate response, such as stopping the vehicle or swerving to avoid the pedestrian. In each of these use cases, GenAI's ability to understand, learn, and adopt a wide range of tasks make, makes it a powerful tool to solving complex problems and creating new opportunities. Whether it is improving education, enhancing customer service, or revolutionizing transportation, Gen AI has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. Let's look into some game world examples. So, the comprehension of the Gen AI in the arena of gaming, game theory, situations, NPCs go in further depth. Imagine you're playing a complex open world game like Minecraft or The Sims. In this game, your character is not bound by a specific set of rules or objectives. Instead, you can set your own goals like building a house, starting a family, or exploring the world. You can interact with the environment and other characters in various ways, and your actions have consequences that can change the game's world. This is similar to how GenAI operates. Instead of being programmed to perform specific tasks, GenAI can understand, learn, and adapt to a wide range of tasks, just like how you can adapt to different goals in an open world game. Now, let's bring in the game theory, which is the study of mathematical models of strategic interaction among rational decision makers in a multiplayer game. You might need to cooperate with some players and compete with others to achieve your goals. You need to predict other players' actions and adopt your strategy accordingly. GenAI, in a similar vein, can understand and adapt to different situations. It can predict the outcomes of different actions and choose the one that best achieves its goals, just like skilled gamer. Finally, just as a game becomes more interesting, the challenging when non-player characters NPCs have complex behaviors and can respond to your situations or actions in unexpected ways. GenAI makes AI systems more interesting and useful. Instead of having pre programmed responses, a GenAI system can respond to new situations in ways that were specifically programmed, making it more like a human player or a sophisticated NPC. It is like playing a game where the NPCs are intelligent and adaptable as human players. So, we will look into transformer model in a little bit, but let me explain the gaming theory in a little bit more with an example. Imagine logging into MetaWorld, a vast open world metaverse game. As I spawn into the world, I am greeted by my AI guide Alex, for example. Unlike the NPCs in older games, Alex is a powerful agent and is powered by GenAI. Alex does not just recite pre programmed lines or follow a set script. Alex can understand and respond to my questions, learn from our interactions, and even show emotions. Lately, I decided to embark on a quest to build a city in older games. This would involve following a set of predefined steps. And before if I go into depth, the in MetaWorld, the GenAI systems allows for emergent gameplay. As I started gathering resources when I got into this game, I noticed that the AI controlled creatures in the forest are acting strangely. They are usually docile, but today they are aggressive. Alex explains that a recent meteor shower has made them restless. This is not as scripted as it is before in the event. It is an emergent property of GenAI systems responding into gaming conditions. Now I decide to negotiate with the creatures instead of fighting them. In a traditional game, this might not be an option, but in MetaWorld, the GenAI system allows for complex interactions with the creatures. So I communicate with creatures, learn about their fears, and manage to calm them down. In return, they help me gather resources. As I continue to build my city, I realize that every action I take has consequences. The economy, politics, and ecology of the metaverse will interconnect are all interconnected, and the Gen AI system simulates these complex dynamics. Building a city is not just about placing buildings, it's about creating a functioning society. Playing MetaWorld feels like being in a living, breathing world. The Gen AI systems make every interaction meaningful and every decision consequential. It is not just a game, it is a sandbox for exploring what is possible when AI can understand, learn, and adapt to a wide range of tasks. As I got log out, I can't wait to see what new challenges and opportunities the metaverse will present next time when I'll join in. As I reflect on my experiences in MetaWorld, it becomes clear why GenAI is the future of the gaming as well. In the past, games were like puzzles, fun but limited. You had a set of pieces and you had to get to figure out how they fit together. But with GenAI, games become more like real life, complex, unpredictable, and full of responsibilities as well as possibilities that one has to take care. In MetaWorld, I'm not just playing a game. I'm participating in a dynamic, evolving world. The GenAI system allows for emergent gameplay where the actions of players and AI characters can lead to unexpected outcomes. This makes the game more engaging and replayable, as no two sessions are the same. Moreover, the GenAI system allows for complex interactions that go beyond the scope of traditional game mechanics. I can negotiate with AI characters, from alliances to the foes, and form alliances, make new friends, and even influence the politics and economy of the metaverse. This level of depth and complexity makes the game more immersive and rewarding. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of GenAI is its potential for learning and adaptation. As I play the game, the AI characters learn from my actions and adapt their behavior accordingly. This creates a feedback loop of learning and growth where both the player and the AI characters are constantly evolving. In conclusion to this gaming discussion, GenAI is not just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. It transforms gaming from a static rule based activity into a dynamic, open ended exploration of possibilities. And as I look forward to my next adventure in Metaverse, I can't help but feel that I am not just playing a game, I'm part of a new chapter in the story of AI. So, based on my experiences in the gaming arena, here are a few features that GenAI model needs to work more effectively in the scenario that I just discussed. The first one is understanding and processing natural language, as I'm discussing with Alex and the other creatures. The Gen AI model should be able to understand and respond to complex language inputs from players, permitting for more natural and nuanced interactions. The model should be able to learn from player actions and adapt its behavior accordingly, creating a dynamic and evolving game world. The model should be able to make complex decisions based on a wide range of factors, allowing for emergent gameplay and unexpected outcomes. Emotions and personality simulation. The model should be able to simulate emotions and personalities for AI characters, making them more relatable and engaging. Last not the least, the model should be able to simulate complex economic and ecological systems, permitting for a more immersive and realistic game world. As for models that can be helpful in the scenario, transformer models, which are present on this slide, can be worked with, as these are great for understanding and processing natural language, making them ideal for handling players' inputs. And if I go next, that is reinforcement learning models. And these models can learn from players' actions and adapt their behavior accordingly, making them perfect for creating dynamic and evolving game worlds. Last not least, the generative models. And these generative models uh, can generate new content based on existing data, making them useful for simulating complex systems like economics and ecologies. In my opinion, a combination of these three models, as you see on the screen, would be ideal for creating a GenAI system capable of handling the complexities of the game like MetaWorld or your world or my world, like similar to a game if we all get together and start writing a game with potential unpredictable behavior. Each model brings its own strengths on the table, and by working together, they can create gaming experience that is truly revolutionary. I hope this has given you some understanding of GenAI, what is GenAI in a gaming scenario. And here I would suggest to stay tuned for learning generative artificial intelligence in more depth. Happy learning. See you in the next lecture.